Clearing is a process designed to match applicants to places that haven't been filled at universities that academic year. Last year, over 73,000 students secured a place during clearing.
There are different reasons why you may choose to apply through clearing. Generally, it's for those who didn't meet the terms of their conditional offer, have decided they want to apply to a different course or university, didn't receive an offer in the main cycle, or didn't apply to university through the main cycle.
Not all courses are available during clearing, only places that haven't been filled up already. You can see which courses have places available using the UCAS clearing search tool or on individual university websites once clearing is open.
If you already have your results, you can apply from the 5th of July. If not, you'll have to wait until you receive them.
Firstly, research the courses that are available that you would like to apply to. Then get in touch with the universities. Every university does clearing slightly differently. Some might use websites where you need to apply. Some you might have a phone number where you need to call in. Once you're filling out your application or speaking to the university, you might need to provide some information, such as your UCAS personal ID number, so that the universities can access your application. Hopefully, you'll then receive an offer, which is counted as a verbal offer. You can receive multiple verbal offers from universities before you decide which one you would like to accept.
So the next step is then adding your clearing choice onto your application. You can only choose one university on your clearing choice, and you can only do this once you receive a verbal offer from the university. Once you've made that official choice, the universities will verify your qualifications and it will then show up on your acceptance page.
At City, we use a clearing web form to consider clearing applications, which you can find on our website. On there, you'll be able to see all the courses that are open and the entry requirements for each of those courses. You'll provide information such as your personal information, your qualifications, and your UCAS information so that we can consider your clearing application. Hopefully, we'll be able to give you an offer straight away using the clearing web form.
So sometimes we may need to speak to you about your clearing application, so you may be given a phone number to call. However, if you have any questions or are struggling with any part of your clearing application before results day, you can either contact us through our website, or we'll have staff available online on results day who can help. Do your research. It's always worth looking at university websites beforehand to make the day a little less stressful.
Make sure you have a stable internet connection and a quiet place to speak to universities.
Make sure to make notes of any application numbers or deadlines as you are making clearing calls or applying through a web form.
Make sure you've got your details ready. Universities will ask for certain pieces of information, such as your UCAS personal ID number, your qualifications, and potentially your personal statement. You might also have a clearing information number if you are actively in clearing, which can be found within the UCAS Hub. Make sure you've got your UCAS Hub login easily to hand so you can access your UCAS application on the day. Good luck with your clearing application.